Hola, I'm Jack the Greek and welcome back for another episode. As you can see in front of you, we have some beautiful fish today, straight from Preston Market, nice and fresh. We have some beautiful whiting. Look at the size of the whiting. Opa, look at that. Hey, you'd think it's a King George whiting, not just a normal whiting. Opa. And over here, we have some sardines. Look at the size of these. What we're gonna do is we're gonna fry up our whiting today, and we're also gonna put the, there's Athena, our beautiful lamb. There we go. With our nice sardines, we're gonna make some satay tomatoes. We're gonna cook them on the barbecue in our tray with some garlic and thyme, and then put them on a nice, beautiful platter. Now, we've been warming up our CrossRay BBQ with all 4 burners on high to about 300 degrees. We're gonna grab our frying pan. I've already got some oil in there, but we're gonna put it in there so it warms up. This won't take long. Within about 2 minutes, the pan will be ready for the fish. So let's start preparing our fish. I've got some flour. Just put it straight in there like this. Turn it over, and just a bit of flour like that. It's not hard, and it doesn't take long at all. Whether you make this meal on a weeknight or on a weekend, when you have a few friends over, it still takes roughly the same amount of time. I reckon about 10 minutes. Just like that there. So it's a little bit windy, so the flour is going everywhere, but that's okay. We'll clean it up as we go. Let's find one more beautiful big one. Just there. Opa. Just like that. So we have them right there as we have. Now, where's my towel? I can't find it, but that's okay. Here we go. Let's go now. So if you want to come in close, you see how the frying pan has already started warming up. And look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Just like that. Opa. Opa. I can sense another beautiful seafood meal by Jack the Greek. Just like that. Beautiful. Okay. Excellent. Now I'm going to show you what we're going to do with our tomatoes and our beautiful sardine. As you can see, I'm starting to chop up my tomatoes. I'm cutting them to around 2 centimetre pieces. I'm cutting close just so you can see the size. So beautiful tomatoes. So we're going to put them in our foil and we're going to put them on the CrossRay BBQ. They're not going to take long. Again, around 5 to 7 minutes. They'll be sautéed enough so we can enjoy them with our beautiful sardines. So as you can see, I've now got my tomatoes all ready. I've got my crushed garlic just here. I'm going to just throw that in straight in the middle like that. I'm going to grab some of my rosemary just here and just going to put it in like that. Beautiful, to give it some extra smell. And of course, plenty of salt and plenty of pepper. And right behind us, I have no doubt, our beautiful whiting is cooking away. A bit of olive oil. And by the time I put this on now, it will be time and ready for me to turn the fish. I wouldn't mind you coming nice and close to see how I do that. So we're going to put that there. We've got our frying pan here. As you can see, it's not very hot. Fantastic, there we go. So if we look at the fish here, you can see it's starting to brown up. Beautiful, look at that. Just turn it over one by one, nice and gently. Beautiful, look at that. Opa. It's been around 7 to 8 minutes. Coming close so we can grab our beautiful whiting that's been cooking on the CrossRay BBQ. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. So ideally, you'd want to just leave that sit on a napkin for about a minute, just to drain the oil. But in our case, we're just going to plate it up just for this video. But I would put it on another plate with a towel, a paper towel of course, just like that. And let the oil just come away from the actual fish. But look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. We'll grab this one as well and we'll put it just like that. Okay, so we'll put the frying pan back there just for now and we'll bring this in a little bit closer. We've got a bit of salt, just like that. Bit of lemon, just like that. And we'll put that there for someone who wants a little bit more, and then a little bit of parsley, just like this. Oh, that's beautiful. Yeah. Oh, and it is windy today, but of course, that's the love of outdoor cooking. And beautiful whiting. Now, it's time to put on our beautiful extra large sardines because our tomatoes are nearly ready to go. So, with the sardines, there's not much preparation. We just clean them and put them straight on the barbecue. So let's do that. We'll put that over there and we'll just grab our sardines. No flour, nothing at all. Straight on our grill, just like that. This will take 2 or 3 minutes on the CrossRay BBQ to cook. And by that time, beautiful, listen to that. Opa, opa. That's it. Excellent. We'll leave the rest for some other day. We'll be back in about 2 minutes to plate it all up. Opa. Okay, we're about to turn around and turn over our beautiful sardines, but let me show you a bit of a Jack the Greek trick. You always use a plastic spatula for such a delicate fish like this. And as you'll see, I'll just turn over nice and easily. Opa, just like that. Just turn them over. Opa. There we go. See that? No sticking and no destroying of each of the sardines. And as we go, we'll turn them over all the way around. Opa. Beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful. So we're going to grab this one, turn it over, and that one. Like that. And the last one. Let's come back. Just like that. Have a look at our tomato. How it's going. Beautiful. Look at that. Excellent. Okay, we're ready to plate up as I promised. Here we go. What we'll do is we'll grab our tomatoes just like this and we'll put them on our little table here. And what we'll do is we'll just put them straight into our pan just like that. Look at that. Opa. Just like that. Huh? Opa. Beautiful. Fresh tomatoes is the best way to prepare this beautiful meal. Now, we'll grab our sardines, put them on this plate for now. Just like this. Just like that. Turn off our CrossRay BBQ. That's done a fantastic job again. And just to remind our viewers, we had all 4 burners on high while we're cooking our fish. And we just put our fish just like that. Beautiful. Look at that. Opa. Beautiful sardines cooked on the CrossRay BBQ. Just like that. We'll put these aside for Jack to have them as a meze. While the rest of the food is being cooked, we'll put a couple bits of basil, just like that, around the place. Leave it on the edge, just like that. Today, what an afternoon it's been. We've cooked on the CrossRay BBQ 2 beautiful seafood dishes, some beautiful whiting, fried with a little bit of lemon, and over here, some beautiful barbecued grilled sardines with some tomato satay. It took us all around 10 minutes on the beautiful CrossRay BBQ with all 4 burners on high, cooking it on the bottom grill. Can't get better than that. Whether it's a weeknight or a weekend, you're with Jack the Greek once again. Bye-bye.